Great morning, everyone. Welcome to the English class. Today we'll start a lesson 1, that is common and proper noun. So, children, let's start. What is common and what is proper noun? So, children, proper noun. Proper noun names a person, place, or thing. So, children, proper noun is a special name of a person, place, thing, or animal, or it's a specific name of place, person, thing, or animal. And what is common noun? A common noun is a general name of a person, place, thing, or animal, or it's a common name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Children, what is the difference between a common noun and proper noun? Let's see what is the difference between the common and proper noun. So, children, here's the keyword is names. A proper noun names a common noun. So, children, if I say the girl went to the store, I can mean any girl. But if I say Callie went to the store, then we know exactly which girl went to the store. You know that in girl all girl can become any girl. When in girl any girl can become. And if we will say the name of the girl like Kelly, like Sita went to the store, then we know exactly which girl went to the store. So children, the common noun girl can mean anyone. It's mean anyone. And the proper noun Kelly, it's a special name. It's a specific name of the girl. So it is called proper noun. This is the main difference between the common and proper noun. In common noun, all same kinds of things can become in the one name, like girl. All kinds of girl can become in the girl. And Kelly, or in proper noun, only special things can be come. Okay. Now here boy and girl are common nouns. And teacher and principal are also a common noun. So children, the name of the boy and girls are a proper noun and should be capitalized. You know that proper nouns are always written in a capital letter. So children, here boys and girls are the common noun, but name of the boy like Rohit, Rehan, Rajat, Aditya, Daksh, and name of the girls like Dia, Sia, Tina, Myra, Preet, all these are the special name of the boys and the girls. So these are the proper noun. And the names of the teacher and principals are the proper noun and should be capitalized. The proper noun always written in a capital letter. It means capitalized. Example: Mrs. Lash, Miss McNutt, Mrs. Parents, Mrs. Sharp, Mrs. Stewart, Mrs. Dolman, Mrs. Turner, Mrs. Fagan. These are the names of the teacher or principal. So these are the special name. These are proper noun. And teacher and principal, if we can say teacher or principal, these are the common noun. But if we will say the name of the teacher or name of the principal, so it will be common. It will be proper noun. Okay. Now, like day and month are common noun. Day, all day can become like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Month is a common noun. And we can if we will say January, February, March, April, these are the proper noun. Like the names of the day and months are proper noun and should be capitalized. You know that we will write name of the day and name of the month in a capital letter. We'll start with a capital letter, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. All these are the special name of the day. So children, these are the proper noun. And January, February, March, April, these are the special name of the month. So these are proper noun. Here city and states are common noun. If we say city, all city can become in the city. And we say state, all states can become in the state. So these are the common noun. If we will say the particular name of the city or the state, it's a proper noun. Like if we will say Hisar, Chandigarh, Noida, Meerut, these are special name of the city. These are proper noun. And we will say Haryana, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, these are the special name of the states. These are proper noun. The name of the cities and states are proper noun and should be capitalized. It's start with a capital letter. And children, here common noun, proper noun. Singer, like singer is a common noun. If we say the name of the singer like Justin Bieber, this is a proper noun. Like common noun, country is a common noun. But if we will say India. India is a particular name of the country, so it's a proper noun. Movie, movie is a common noun, and if the name of the movie is The Lion King, this is a special name of the movie, so it's a proper noun. Singer, singer is a common noun, and Sonu Nigam is the name of the singer, it's a proper noun. Festival, festival is a common noun, and Diwali is a special name of the festival, so it is a proper noun. So children, here is a worksheet. In this worksheet, what you have to do, circle the common noun and underline the proper noun in the following passage. So you have to circle the common noun. First you read the paragraph and circle the common noun and underline the proper noun. And remember one thing, that proper noun always written with a capital letter. It's always start with a capital letter, and common noun sometimes start with a capital letter and sometimes start with a small letter. If they come in begin of the sentence, it's start with a capital letter, or if they come in between the sentence, it start with a small letter. Okay children? And here second exercise is fill in the blanks with proper noun. You have to use proper noun here. So we celebrate dash in the month of August. So what you celebrate in the month of August, like Independence Day, Raksha Bandhan, so many festivals are there. So you have to write here, you have to write only proper noun here. Independence Day is the name of the festival, it's a national festival, so it's a proper noun. And Raksha Bandhan is also the name of the festival, so it's a proper noun. So you have to write proper noun here. And the next exercise is, this is a worksheet for you for the practice common and proper nouns. You have to think of the proper noun for each common noun. Like woman, you have to write the name of the woman. Man, you can write the name of the man. Mountain, like Mount Everest, Himalaya, you can write here. Book, you can write the special name of the book. Movie, monument, holiday, singer, school, country, these are the common noun, and you will write proper noun for the common noun. Day, teacher, city, month, university, restaurant, company, hotel, planet, actor, etc. And children, I hope you have understood the topic well. So children, thank you.